Hello, dear viewers. Today we are going to review advanced DAX formulas in Power BI. In our previous video, we learned basic DAX information. Now we will take this knowledge to the next level. We will learn how to do time analysis, conditional calculations, and rankings. Let's get started. First, let's find the previous month's sales. This formula gives us the sales 1 month ago. The dated function has 3 parameters. The date column, how many units to go back and which time unit to use. First, let's do time-based analysis. We have sales data and we will examine how it changes over time. There are 3 factors: the date column, how many units to go back and which time unit to use. Now let's make a yearly comparison. With same period last year, we can automatically find the same period last year. Now let's move on to conditional calculations. With the switch function, we can make different calculations for different situations. Here we make an evaluation based on the growth rate. Using the switch function with true gives us the flexibility of a multiple if structure. Finally, let's look at ranking functions. We want to rank the best-selling products. The ranks function takes 5 parameters: table for sorting, ranking criteria, empty parameter, default, sort direction, desk descending, sort type, dense pipelining. Today we looked at advanced DAX formulas in Power BI and learned how to track trends with time analysis, manage complex scenarios with conditional calculations, and rank data with ranking functions. When using these formulas in your own reports, I recommend writing and testing simple versions first, then gradually complicating them step by step. The great thing about DAX is that once you have written formulas, you can use them in other reports. In our next video, we will cover creating tables and data modeling with DAX. Until then, get plenty of practice. Thanks and good work.